You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8.
Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute.
And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom. Right there. Good afternoon, everybody, and happy Sunday. If you're here with me in the YouTube, Kick, or X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us. This morning, this afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Nobody knows. Could be anywhere. Where are you guys? Where is everybody? What's up, Coach C, Joe Bird, KS, BBY with the 7 months. What's up, baby? What's up, baby? Ooh, what's up from Miami? Bienvenidos, Ami. What's up, Navy guy with the 10 months? Oh my goodness. Look at you guys. Look at you guys just rolling, baby. I love it. What's up, Dale? How are you? It's from Salt Lake City. Beautiful. What's cracking? Knucklebone with 1 kick. Love you, pal. Thanks, visuals. From Texas, but in Vegas. Yo, what are you doing in Vegas? What are you doing in my town? What you coming out here for? What's the reason? I'm curious. So far, Globex in a tight little range here. There's just nothing really happening. Nothing all that fantastic, huh? There was a pop, drop. So, nothing really shaking here. We got funded accounts to trade. We got our Lucid accounts. We got our TPT accounts. I think that's it. And the funded fund. Oh, we got Apex accounts to trade, but they're not funded. Yeah, we got Apex accounts to trade. We got Alpha accounts. And then I got to get my TPT accounts up here. Let's see. TPT, there they are. My TPT Pro accounts. I got to make my fresh ones. These are my brand new TPT 50K Pro accounts. So mission number 1 in these bad doggers is to get the heck out of their drawdown in these things. Whatever it's called. The trailing drawdown. So I got to make $2,000 to get out of the trailing drawdown on these things. So I probably not going to touch them during Globex. Man, he says, dude, 5-second trade net me 500 on M&Q just now. I'm done. Gonna make dinner. Have a good trading gloves. Or Globex, I'm guessing. Auto-corrected from Globex to gloves. I will have the best trading gloves you've ever seen, my friend. Kazaa! The best of the best. I come April 17th, 21st to Vegas from Houston. Okay, wife is on a work trip. I'm going to hang. Yo! Does the wife know about that? Or is this like a little surreptitious, sneaky little, kind of like, kind of going to Vegas doing my thing type shit? What you doing? April 17th to 21st. So what are you coming out here for, Calvin? What's up, Brian? How are you, buddy? Curious what you're coming out here for. A little sound. Just a little sound. I got a dose of what I used to deal with on Twitter when I used to post my broker statements every single day. I got a redosage of that because I posted my car on Twitter. The new Ferrari that I just bought, I posted that on Twitter. It was 99% positive, but you just have these people. They're the most miserable people I've ever seen in my life. Case in point. Man, let me just go to my latest. Let me just pull up my latest notification here. Let's see. Go to my latest notification. Yep, it's somebody saying something negative. Shocker. Wow, amazing. Twitter's the best, guys. Tradify 3.0 launches on Tuesday, March 31st. My goodness. Email's just going out, so we'll have some to talk about that. I bet you Lee said in order to show courses. It's funny, the person who like sparked all the ire, because the post was fine, but there's some guy who sells a $50 a month trading course, and obviously all the people that bought that are super miserable. Obviously haven't figured out how to trade in 30 days, but yeah, there you have it. Trying to buy Apex ePals is not possible. Yeah, you can't buy more than one at a time right now. It's impossible. It is impossible. He sicked his brokies on you. I mean, he just commented some snarky shit, and then I clapped back at him, and then he blocked me. He blocked me because he probably looked into my profile, saw me like posting broker statements. He's like, oh fuck, this is dangerous for my brand. So he blocked me. It's funny when you have like the course sellers and the shillers that go after me, and they don't know who I am, and then they'll take a minute to look at my profile, and they'll be like, wait, this guy streams for free and he's made millions of dollars trading, posting his broker statements. Fuck, I can't do that with my $50 a month retarded bullshit. So I'm gonna block them. It's pretty funny. It's the same story every time. But this is why I'm no longer active on X, is because it's just mainly a cesspool. It's like, it's so pointless. It's completely pointless. Then they'll stealth watch and try to steal your alpha. Well, good. Maybe they can finally start teaching their fucking $50 subs how to win, you know? Because obviously it's not working if they need to charge people $50 a month to fucking trade. That's fucking pathetic. That's ridiculous. 63.66 is going to be an interesting test here on these lows. We have about $2,000 in drawdown on our Lucid Pro accounts. I was thinking about going to these. I saw Lucid has like some new shit. They had like an announcement or something about some new shit that was coming out. So, let's see here. We just snapped those 160s, but yeah, I'm going to try this here. I'm going short. Trying to take this break lower. I wish I was a little bit quicker on my draw here. Let's see how low they want to go on this. We're right now holding right around 140s. If we punch back super hard, like we are right now, I can try to add to it. Let's see here. Back at 150s. We're doing the Globex thing where we basically round trip every single trade. We had a bidder here. Let's see if we can crack 155 at all. Basically round tripping this stuff on Globex. This has been indicative of what we've been seeing on Globex time after time after time and time again. So let's see if we can stay weak below 170 and kind of layer into this. Let's see. If we can, it'll be... No, we can't. There's your short answer. We can't. It's still going up above 170. Short answer is no, we cannot do that. It's just going to keep pushing and pushing and pushing till infinity. Now, we are green in the trade ever so temporarily there from, I guess, 170 down to 135, and then we had a 35 to 180 reversal, so 45 handle reversal there. I don't think we're going for the gap fill yet. We'll see if there's any kind of follow-up trade or anything to take, though. You know what we could take this in is we could try to take it in Apex. Let me see here. Put on... Yeah, we're doing it now. We're doing the exact thing now, but let's see if we can make some money here in Apex. Yeah, it's tough on these Globex trades. Like, they tend to reverse pretty often here. So like that 135 all the way up to 180 is like nothing for Globex right now. So you just have to be careful on these huge reversals with these accounts that don't have much drawdown. But let's see if we get this weakness to persist below 63.66 in the S&Ps. Now, trade this week is son's birthday and off fossil hunting. Nice. Where are you going? Curious. Be nice if we had one trade that could just be super clean. Right now we're holding below 150. 158, bouncing at 155. Let's see if it holds it all below 180. Or was the Lucid announcement? It was in their Discord. They had a bunch of stuff. Yeah, this seems to be the MO with Globex. We get extraordinary moves, the move reverses, and then we just kind of go sideways. So let's see if we have any continuation here. We do have a lot of stuff that's happening this week that should be important. Tomorrow's going to be pretty sleepy in the morning. So if you're thinking about maybe skipping the early morning part of the stream tomorrow, it's probably the one day that you can do that and get away with it. Given that, you know, there's no 8:30 news, it's 10 a.m. news. But then Tuesday is going to be jam-packed. Wednesday is going to be jam-packed. Thursday, jobless claims, of course. And then Friday, we get the NFP because it's the very first Friday of April. Remember that. NFP comes out always on the very first Friday of the month. I mean, UK, he's 5 and obsessed. Wow. I don't think I've ever been fossil hunting in my life. Never once. Let's see if we'll ever break back below this area here. Volume's completely stagnant after that the retracement off of 135. I swear, one of these days I'm just gonna do the dumb Globex thing and just be like, all right, fine, I'm just taking reversals only on Globex since it doesn't have any continuation. See any big orders? No, it's just, it's I don't know why, but for some reason, I can't trade the Globexes that keep happening. Like, I just, like, for some reason, it's so anti my trading style that I just can't wrap my head around it. It's like, I look for continuation and momentum, and, like, Globex is just like, momentum, instant stop, instant reverse, momentum gone. And then, like, volume just dries out. Like, right here, in a momentous market, we're rejecting underneath 170s. Like, I would be adding so heavy to this because we should be breaking below 150s. And then making a new low, tagging through that 135, but instead it's like we just don't have any volume, so just kind of stuck here holding 4 contracts. It's crazy. I need to just turn off that side of my brain of being a momentum trader and just be like, all right, fine, fuck it. We're gonna reverse every big move and then expect for the volume to dry. What's up, Raj? Yeah, we had a good weekend. It was fun. Very relaxing, very chill. Did dinner on Friday, I think. Did we go to dinner on Friday? Oh yeah, we went to Sartiano's on Friday. Did a Chrome Hearts event before that, and then we did Pisces last night. Pisces was incredible. Sartiano's was incredible too. They have very good food. It's like Wynn's version of Carbone Riviera, sort of, I guess. I don't know how you'd describe it. Or maybe that's more of like Pisces. I don't know. But Pisces is really, really good. Yeah, I guess we should only focus on playing reversals in Globex, I suppose. Maybe that's just the play. Only touch reversals. But like, as a momentum trader, all you want to see is just this nice clean failure below 155, add into that momentum to the downside and just feather it out as we approach that 135 and then maybe add in for a crack of 135s. That's all I'm really looking for. What are metals doing? Metals are fucking cleaner than this. Well, it's weird. Silver's weaker than gold. Gold is kind of weakish now. Silver's settling in. Can't believe silver's actually trading 68 now. It's crazy because I didn't expect to be back in the 60s this early. Although how much gold fell, it does kind of make sense. Lucid Max daily payout. Yeah, that whole thing. So is that like a new account style or something? I haven't looked at the Lucid dashboard here. I guess I'm going to try to manage my risk here. I haven't looked at the Lucid dashboard. So is it like a new account type that you can buy? But look at this volume, dude. Like, this is what I'm talking about. Every single time that we've traded, it's been the same thing. Like, it looks like it's going to be beautiful, and then you just get one more volume spike into a reversal, and then it just goes fucking sideways. And it just chops sideways until 45 minutes from now. Or it's just going to go the opposite. I just need to trade the opposite of what I think the momentum is doing. I think that's the key on this shit. Really do. There's like no other way that you can possibly trade this. Like, you must anticipate that it's always going to reverse or something. I think that's the trick. And she's gone. Apex curse continues. Well, good thing we didn't touch our, what are these called? TPTs. So yeah, another reversal off the lows. Doesn't break 155, goes straight up. All the volume is only going into a reversal. Lucid Max is invite only for people who are maxing payouts regular. Interesting. I wonder how we get to that. I wonder what we have to do to get into that. So it's like nothing that you can select, right? Yeah, this thing is blasting off those. Does anybody actually go long off of like 135 and still holding? Like, what a sick reversal. Fucking 130, 140, I guess is the safe. 140 to 260 handle reversal is insane, bro. You did? Yeah, dude, fucking insane. I definitely did not see that coming at all. It's assessed traded by trader, then you get put on eval and qualify for it. Interesting. That's nuts. All right, let's see here. What are you guys all trading on right now? Lucid 50K flex funded and eval, nice. Trade C Lucid funded, nice. Which Lucid fundeds are you trading? And do you like Trade C? Because I'm getting like a mixed bag of people from that. Like, people aren't really sure what to expect off of that, right? What's the one that, like, does Lucid have any of them that you can take daily payouts or no? Are there any Lucid accounts where you can do daily payouts or no? Because people are like telling me there's a Lucid one that you can do daily payouts in. There's not, right? It's Flex. Isn't Flex like the closest that you can get to that? What's up, Edward? Flex is every 5 days. So which is the one that you can get paid out the quickest on? What's it? Would it just be Lucid Pro? The ones that I was doing? So Lucid Pro is the fastest because Lucid Pro is every 5 days, right? I'm pretty sure that's how that works. I'm pretty sure Lucid Pro is every 3 days. Yeah, so Lucid Pro will be the fastest. Let's see, Lucid Pro. Yeah, I think this would be the fastest, to be honest. Let's see here. What do you guys think? Is it gonna go up or down? I'm gonna do a gamble points right now. Let's do 7. Let's do, actually no, 646. I'm curious what you guys think. Let's see, 23 205. There we go. All right, hit that prediction and let me know what you guys think, because I'm actually curious. Wrong number and NQ. What did I do? Ah, man, come on. All right. That's so annoying. There. I had one extra digit in there. I'll give you 10 minutes for the prediction now. Why not? There you go. Yeah, I think the belows are going to win that one. Guys are so ridiculous. Thank you for letting me know. I think these are 1 day to pass even, right? Yeah, you can pass these in 1 day if you want. Pretty sure. It's setting them up right now. I just got 5 new 150Ks. So we'll see. Pro is 1 day. Okay, cool. That's what we got. Lucid Pro 150Ks again. That's what we got, baby. Dude, look at this thing going crazy, bro. Jesus, I didn't even see. Yo. And metals are kind of tuning up a little bit too. You see that? It's going crazy right now. 50% off, not a good deal. Of? What are we talking about? 50% off, not a good deal? What? Are you out of your mind? You said what? How's 50% off a good deal? What are you talking about? Who here thinks 50% off Lucid is a good deal? Oh, Apex, brother. You gotta wait. You gotta be patient, brother. You gotta chill. You gotta chill, baby. Oh wait, hold on. That's why you're telling me, because I was about to buy some fucking Apex. Let me see. Let me see. Hold on, I gotta sign in with my 2FA. Well, I certainly did not expect this big of a reversal, that's for damn sure. This is crazy work, brother. Let me see how much this is. It is $249? Brother, that'd be 5 G's. Nah, I'm not about to do that one. Nah, I'm good on that one, bro. I'll wait for the Apex sale. I think we need like a little bit of that 85% off juice. You see what I'm saying? You know what I can hit this in is my alpha accounts if I can not trade like a retard. Let's see. Did we go for the gap fill yet? Is that the gap fill? Almost, huh? Who said that we're gonna go for the gap fill? Somebody said that in chat. You nailed it. Now what? Do we just blindly short it because Globex only reverses and there's no continuation? Is that the move, guys? What do you think? Sure. Okay, let's try it. You say it, I do it. We just blindly reverse it, right? Oh, the scroll bar. Okay, let me do it out. Oh, fuck it. I'll do it right now. I'll just change it right now. Scroll. Okay, there you go. I fixed it. Now we're all happy. Sweet. All right, let's try this again. Let's see if we can take this underneath and lower and get some continuation as a contrarian. Yeah, there we go. Let's go, contrarian boys. Come on, contrarians in chat. Let's get it. Let's take it right back down and do the stupid thing. Come on, market. Reward our retardation. Let's go, baby. How come it's always so soft for when it starts to go in our direction, but it goes like one tick against us, and I feel like we're down like $1,050,000. Doesn't it feel that way? I swear to God, TradeEvade is cursed, bro. Feels like we're down like $1 trillion, billion when it starts to like go against us one tick. Like, how are we, like, come on. Come on. What are you doing? See? What are you doing to us? Hold on, we're almost full size. Don't tell me it's just gonna reverse and shoot up like a frickin' cannon now. Come on. Not like this. Not like this. Not like this. All right, just drop like a rock, baby. There you go. Come on, a little bit more. We just need a little bit of a shmir, shmir, shmir. Just a little and a ksh. Just do it for us, baby. How does the Lucid live accounts work? I don't know. I've never been in one, man. You're asking the wrong person. All right, if we break these 20s, we're going to see a nice little roll, and we'll touch 63.82 to the downside here. It just needs to give us that nice little just... It's right there, baby. We're right at the area that we need to see snapping. Just a little snapper dinger right here. See if we can get a little mustard on our hot dog on a Sunday. Come on, why? Just give it, there you go. That's the juice, baby. No, not that. Continuation, just do it one time for us. It's okay, you can continue. See, oh my goodness, look at it, it's flirting with disaster now. Come on, baby. Yeah, just a little bit of love for old Ripsy and friends. Just a little taster, huh? Look at these buyers. What are you guys buying it for? You bunch of pansies. You dirty little pansies. You don't need to... What a bunch of butt pirates here on the frickin' tape, huh? Look at that. They bring it down, they trade it up, they're just so nervous. Y'all need to just relax and find yourself some comfort down here. You know what I mean? Find yourself a little bit of that comfort down here with your friend Ripsy. Just get it in there, baby. Okay, there we go. Yeah. There's the goods. All right, we're good. Hey, how about that? Ooh-wee. Who else caught that with me? I said, you know, let's do the retarded thing and only play reversals, and it worked. Sometimes you just gotta... I don't know if you guys saw this, but I'm wearing my retarded hat today. This is my special education hat. When I got this hat on, I'm special. You're still short? Well, hey, I'm jealous. I think it'll break through. I think we're probably gonna break 200s. These fuckers are out of their minds on a Sunday. I wish someone talks to me like Ripsy talks to these buyers. What, abusive? Get the fuck out of the way, buyers. Careful, never go for full retard. I could have used that advice about 10 years ago. I don't know. 12 years ago when I started trading, could have used that advice. Never go full retard. I wouldn't be here today. Not me. Yeah, there goes those 200s. That would have been juicy if it would have just stayed in that for a little bit longer. I kind of want to take it down to VWAP, but these little pops kept scaring the shit out of me, man. So I thought that would be a good spot to take it out. So you see, they're still doing it. It's like, when do you know enough is enough with these fuckers on this tape? At least volume came through, right? Where's the volume? I gotta show you. Right there. You can't see because my shit's all red. Let me see if they put in my new accounts yet on Lucid. Oh boy, howdy, there they are. How you doing? Cool. We got them. Ladies and gentlemen, we got them. Let me go ahead and set up my copy trader. Dun, dun. Isn't prop trading fun and stress-free? I think so too. It's lovely. Okay, we're good. We are ready to rock. See, here's the thing I love about TradeC is I never have to worry about whether or not the trade copier is going to work. I just know when I press the button, it's just going to work. Because it's a real treat. It is scientifically proven that you have to fuck around to find out. If you never fuck around, you never find out. Brother, you got to put a magnifying glass inside my forehead because I always find out because I'm consistently fucking around. Out 86 Coin says, thank you for helping me blow accounts 3 days in a row. Now I'm going to blow my brains out. Solid work, champ. That didn't seem very nice. Tell me how you really feel. But wait, now I'm curious. How did you lose on the last trade? Hold up. Stop the music, DJ. Turn that shit down. Hold on. How did you lose on that trade? How'd you lose on that one? That was short and then we covered. What do you mean? What the fuck? Did you? Oh, I know what it was. He took my first trade. Took my second trade. He said, yo, fuck this guy. I'm fading him on trade number 3. But goosh. That's what you get for fading me, bitch. No, I'm kidding. I mean, y'all shouldn't be copying me. Just get Miyagi'd a little bit, you know? I don't think they're being serious. I think they're just being funny. Listen, I might be a pretty big retard, but I know by far and away that my Globex trading is the biggest part of my trading that needs the most work. Out of any of my trading, my Globex trading, prop firm trading, right? My Globex prop firm trading. I'll be honest. Look, let me level with you guys. The only, well, no, fuck, that's an edge lead. Nah, not gonna say it. Long story short, my prop firm trading in Globex is fucking cheeks. It's nasty. I'm being honest with you. I'm not proud of it. It's not something in a prop firm account. My Globex trading is pretty AIDS. I'm not gonna lie. Regular trading hours, you know. Is it not the same as trading live? Here's the deal, brother. Okay, ready? So you know me. I trade routinely more than 20 contracts, right? Usually. My size is, on average, more than 20 contracts. On average. Average position size, right? When I'm trading in my cash account. Average position size more than 20 contracts. What do you think is going to happen to the tape when you start pushing around 20 contracts in here? You know? You see what I'm saying? It's a completely different world versus me sitting here and it's like, you know, the first trade that we took, I was completely wrong because I was trying to short the market and then it fucking shot off in my face. But I'm sitting here, right? And my orders don't affect the market, right? They don't affect the market. They don't move the market. Nothing happens. So I just kind of sit there and it's like, it's not up to me where the market goes. I have to make my best educated guess of where it's going to go. And I'm usually wrong in Globex. I'm just being honest with you. You see my Globex trade. It's not phenomenal. It's not anything to write home about. I'm not proud of it. But it's just, it is what it is. It just needs work, you know? That's all. Best world would be combining the two. You know, I may have done that on one beautiful session, or maybe two. I don't know. There was one session where it was pretty blatant, and that was a fun one. Rubes, what's the main difference between trading your Percy and trading props? Being able to move the market with the Percy? Well, the thought process is completely different. There's never a time when I'm trading in props that I go, boy, I hope that I don't need to worry about the time that I'm interacting in the market. For instance, if I'm fixing to put on 100 okay, let's choose a really thin market here. Okay, if I'm this is not the right contract. What are we on now? We're not on the J contract anymore, I'm assuming. No, we're definitely not. What are we on? The L's? What the fuck is the, what are we on here? We are on the K's? Nope. What are we on? M? Ah, we're on the M. How about that? Okay, we're on the M's. Let me go ahead and change this up here. Go over to the COMEX. Okay, GCM. Well, good thing we can get rid of this now. Okay, let's get the M contract up here. How we doing, M contract? Okay, to illustrate my point, we gotta let this load for a minute here. It's gotta load the history. Thank you, everybody. Silver, we're in M2 or what? What are we on silver? Don't tell me we're on M as well, are we? There's no way. Nope, definitely not in the M's in silver. Let's see. Maybe the K's. We're on the K's in silver. Okay, let's do that then. Okay, we're already on the K. Beautiful. Okay, so for instance, to illustrate my point, let's just say there was a necessary order that I had to put in. Let's just say I was trading for a client. I trade my own money. But let's just say I was trading for a client and that client required for them to be long at a good price in gold. Well, if you're trading on behalf of a client, let's just say realistically it's a bank, they want to get 1,000 long or something. You're going to use an algorithm. You're probably going to use a TWAP algorithm or a VWAP algorithm. TWAP more likely, right? Depending on what's the goal of the client, right? Do they need 1,000 contracts before New York Open? Do they need before Tokyo? Do they need it before whatever the case? Anyway, based on that strategy, you'd run an algorithm that would disperse the contracts in a fashion that would build a position. Now, if I just decided to market into gold here, a couple different things happen. Well, number one, I'm going to stick out like a sore thumb because the average print, 34 big size, 48, big size off the open for order matching, 225, 214, 68, 85. So there's a range, right? If I've marketed in 100 contracts, it's pretty unlikely that an algorithm's going to do that. So I'm going to be tagged by other algorithms as that's a human order, and they're going to target me and trying to get out of that position. They're going to see like what it would look like for somebody to try to get out. These algorithms are very, very intelligent now, and they can see and kind of surmise based on the activity what's a human and what's not. It's just had a weird spike, NASDAQ. But long story short, the difference between trading in a cash account and trading in a prop account, you're never in a prop account. And when I'm talking about prop accounts, I'm talking about sim accounts. I'm not talking about when they move you to live. When you're in a prop account, a sim account, you don't ever have to think about like, well, I can't build that big of a position because I'm going to have trouble getting out of this position. Never once do you ever have to have that thought cross your mind. Like right now, if I wanted to short 200 contracts, right? 10 contracts per 20 Apex accounts, I can press a button and do that right now, and it doesn't move the market at all, and nobody knows that that order exists. So if I want to do like a micro scalp, let's just say I want 15 down to 202, right? 13 points. On 10 contracts per, that's $2,600, right? Isn't it? 10 contracts, 13 points, $2,600, right? So, or 2,000, yeah, 2,600, right? 2,600 bucks. Am I tripping? Anyway, 2,600 per account. It'd be $52,000 on 200 contracts, I believe. So you can do that in an Apex account without moving the market and with getting away with it pretty easily. If you have like a perfect read on the market. So the stark difference is that you can go after very sniper-esque types of plays like that, riding the momentum of other larger, bigger players that are actually affecting the movement of the market without having to worry about slippage, without having to worry about liquidity of getting in and out of a position. And it's, it's an advantage for you as a trader. Now, most people who are trading in prop firms, and with that illustrative example of like, oh, you make $56,000 profit. Most people who are trading on prop firms are not going to go and trade 200 contracts in a cash account. I'm just being real with you, right? When I put on 100 contracts, and I'm not feeling like, wow, I wish I had access to put on more right now. That's the last thing that's on my mind. I'm like, okay, I need to manage my risk here usually. So for the most part, prop firms are going to be a huge advantage for most of you folks that are watching. And there's very rarely a time, especially if you're talking about trades that you'd be taking in Apex accounts, copied across 20 accounts, you're never going to be taking those in a cash account. They're just too big. They're too absurd. But I'm just saying, if you had the opportunity to take that same trade, you would be affecting the movement of the market and you would never be able to get covered. Like for instance, in that illustration of that example, 15 down to 202, 13 points, you press the button right here to close 200 contracts, 10 contracts per 20 accounts. You press the button, you get filled all of them, and you could do a limit order, right? You could do a limit order at 202. They're all going to get filled instantly. There's no reality ever existing unless somebody has an iceberg at 202 that you could ever get filled 200 contracts at one single tick. Doesn't exist. Not in any fucking world unless there's an iceberg. Or unless somebody's showing 200 on the offer. It's fucking impossible. And again, we're talking about short, you have to buy back. So it would be them on the offer with 200 contracts and they're sitting there for some reason. You take them. One of the cool things is about last year when I was trading my cash, you guys would see that often. And like there's multiple times where I was trading silver and I'd be like, let's say I was short like 75 contracts. I would wait until I'd see somebody on the offer. We'd be cascading down. I'd see somebody put like 75 on the offer, like 8 ticks higher immediately, or like 100 contracts on the offer. Immediately I can market. I can just press flatten, which is a market. It just sends a market close, right? Flatten my position and know that that liquidity is there to accept it. So it doesn't really matter. So again, these are all things that as a prop firm trader, when you're trading in the sim environment, you don't need to know these things, but it is somewhat beneficial because what this allows you to do is it allows you to put yourself in the mindset of other actual market participants that have these risks of not being able to get filled, the slippage, being cautious about where to size in. So what does that mean? For instance, if you see people sizing in on certain areas, right? it's pretty clear that they're trying to shape some type of trading plan. And can you use that market generated information to help you on your trade plan, right? Aren't the PA accounts mimicking the actual one? Nope. PA accounts are also in a sim environment. The only accounts that are not in a sim environment, TPT Pro Plus, Lucid Live, Tradeify Live, Apex Live, which they only have 2 live traders, Kane and Jade Cap right now, I believe. Top Step Live, Trade Day Live. Trade Day puts you live with Ninja Trader. And Alpha, I haven't been live with them, but yeah, those are the only ones. Right? But the point of why I'm bringing this up is like, okay, well, if I'm never going to be in a live account and I'm never going to trade big size, what does it matter? Well, because if you're watching these people on the tape and you understand like, okay, if this player is doing this thing at this certain level, it needs to make sense, right? Like you can't just willy-nilly explode 500 contracts. Like you can do whatever you want, but like you're going to be wiped out the next day, right? Like you're not going to have any money left over, or you're going to get fired because you're trading so ridiculously, recklessly. You're trading the desk recklessly or something. I don't know. I don't know what would garner somebody to do that unless they have some sort of trade plan. So that's one of the reasons why I'm like, we want to focus on these bigger players, because these are the people who have the bigger ideas that people are going to follow and latch on. Like when we're trading, we want to be the barnacles that ride on these whales and try to take our best educated guess based on the market generated information that's given to us. Now, market generated information can only go so far, because what happens if you have MGI, which is market generated information, and then a headline comes out? Okay, well, if a headline comes out, that suddenly changed the plan of MGI, because all these people who, again, most of these larger lot trades are being directed by algorithms. Those algorithms are either going to add to a position, get out of a position, look for the liquidity nodes in the structure of where they can likely get out, right? There's certain times where algorithms will do a snap reaction, and those algorithms it's not even in their code to consider dumping a full size of their position, because most of the time the size and the position is so large that it's almost impossible to have that much liquidity in a vacuum. So again, all these things not really affecting you as a trader, but it's good to know, because if you can be the barnacle on the whale, you can generally figure out where the motion of the ocean is going. And that's why I say, oh, well, if I'm trading sim, why do I care? Well, because MGI is key to making really choice decisions. And that's why, a trader like me who requires a lot of MGI to make good decisions, Globex really roasts me sometimes, because it's like you'll have a lot of MGI and then boom, it dries up. And it's like, well, I'm not moving the market. I'm not affecting where the price is going. See, like this is good MGI right here. You have a lot of people who are willing to sell, and you can see they're aggressively stacking orders above. So that's going to continue to pressure markets to the downside here. That's MGI. We use that. You have a course that explains it. I don't have any courses. Everything I do is for free, Quentin. Every single thing I do is for free. I don't charge anybody anything. I never will. I never do. If you want to learn from my style, just tune into the free streams. They're every single day, twice a day. I will never charge you for anything. And I don't want to. I don't need to. I make plenty of money trading my own cash account. I don't want to charge you anything. There's people out there that will charge you $50 a month and give you a promise that you're going to learn how to trade the markets in 30 days. I got killed for my first 2 years and did nothing but basically lose money. Anybody who's telling you that you can learn how to trade the markets in 30 days is a complete and total washed up bum. How's the new horse? So it is on a truck right now. I have some pictures and videos of it. This is it being loaded into the truck this weekend. I think the delivery date, because it's coming all the way from the East Coast, the delivery date will be Wednesday or Thursday, I'm hoping. So I haven't seen it in person, but it's very close to my car that I already have. So I'm live every single night, Sunday through Thursday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. And then I'm live every single morning, Monday through Friday at 8 o'clock Eastern. Where do we follow you at? You can follow me on x.com/rips, kick.com/rips, instagram.com/rips trades. Yo, Unc, Rips, did you see Rampage Jackson 30 trade? Some guy saying he was trading since 16 years old. No, I didn't see that. It might have been the stream that we rated on Kick. You would have driven it to me. Dude, it would have put like fucking 2,500 miles on the odometer. Jesus, I am having a stroke while talking right now. Welcome, Wilfredo. Welcome. Happy to have you with us. Yeah, the streams are always free. I try to educate, entertain, talk about people's moms. You know, is what it is. Sometimes we have fun. Who's still short here based on that MGI? I was trying to find a bigger pitch and catch, but we never got it. Who's still short here on this MGI? You know, we have about $10,000 times 3 accounts. We got 30K worth of drawdown here. Driven it in reverse me. I think that would have burned the electric motors. It doesn't actually have a reverse gear. It has electric motors that handle the reverse gear, actually, which is funny. Okay, I'm a sucker for this. They're gonna get me into this, and I'm gonna try this short because we're kind of holding right here. I have room up to 180. We're currently short 2 contracts per account, so I'm gonna try this short. A bounce all the way up to like 185 or 190 is fine by me because I can add up there. So that's what I'm gunning for here. This is the pitch and catch that I was waiting for on the way down, so I'm gonna try to nail it here. I have plenty of room to scale into this. We start dropping below 165, I can hammer this thing. So let's see. It's holding right here. Let's see if we can just start tucking underneath those 160s like we should. And just get a little snipe to the downside here. If not, we wait for the next one. We cut it and wait for the next one. But it does look like they're providing a lot of overhead supply and defense. They might just ram it back up one more time, but they're not, which is good. Good news for us, I suppose. Let's see. Just frozen in time over here. Yeah, I know. It hit that prior support, but if it breaks below that support, it's going to be very speedy to the downside here. Like massively, massively speedy. It's just holding right here. There's a lot of support here at 155, but if we snap that support, it's just going to roll heavily. Same thing with the S&Ps. We have nothing underneath 68. So if it just cracks that 68 level, it'll probe much lower. So anything can happen. And I'm going to go full size here at 180s. Go. Full size at 180s now. Looking for this to drop like a rock from here. Some buying volume down here. See how heavy these buyers want to go. Yeah, there's still sellers on this tape though. We need that much more aggressive selling to come through again that we had earlier. I feel like this is the area to find it. Could also like try to reposition, but I don't know if we need to. It's if it wants to rip back up to 190, we'll have to reposition for it, but I don't know if we'll need to. Yeah, I've been watching BTC as a leader. It's been interesting how much they're similar. They were definitely more in lockstep in the previous months. I feel like they fell a little bit out of lockstep lately. Any spoofing or iceberging in the book? Spoofing, no, you'd have to do it manually, but icebergs, there's an add-on that you can use for those. There's an iceberg add-on in Bookmap Global Plus, but I don't use it. You don't really need it. All right, let's see if we can get back below these 170s here. It's just getting a little squirrely right now. We just need to have those sellers that are maintaining that selling pressure instead of just getting squirrely here. Yeah, it seems to be every little bit of momentum is just met with this kind of weird paused reversal energy. But let's see. There's 44 contracts. If we can rip through those 44 contracts, it'll tell me kind of from an MGI perspective how heavy. There you go. Those sellers definitely are still there. It's just a matter of when they're going to step on the gas. Let's see. There they go. I want to see them really start to hammer this area because the problem is that as sellers are coming into that, you can see they're gapping the offer up tremendously high, which makes it a little bit spooky for people who are opening shorts around 175. So let's see. You see how squirrely it is? They're moving the bids and the offers tremendously. It's very, very wicky. Wow, right through. Damn. I didn't expect that, but yeah. That was a 25 handle, well, bigger than that. Basically a 32 handle, like, do you see how much they gap the spreads on that? Just straight drive. I don't know what it is. Every single time I think it's going to be a good luck, we just run out of momentum and then it's just the most unbelievable reversal you've ever seen. Running out of brains to blow out. No, I mean, dude, it's insane. These reversals, like, look at the gap. Look at the gap. These are insane. It's crazy. So off the lows there, 155 to 200 is a 45 handle reversal off the lows. It's just not something that I don't know. As a momentum trader, I just never expect it. Huge pop. Huge pop. I thought 190 would be the backstop on that, but then they literally just ripped it straight to 200, so I wasn't budgeting for that. Crypto markets open in 9 minutes. I mean, everything is opening really in 9 minutes. The 7 p.m. markets are opening in 9 minutes as well. So, yeah, everything's opening. Those are not funded accounts. No, those are evals. All evals. I'm guessing after that pop, that's going to be the pop that brings it straight back down. We're going to find those sellers are going to rip right through, and then we're going to see probably 130s. That's my guess. Asia is another hour. Well, I mean, I have my Asia start time as of like when Globex opens, so. But the volume will be picking up here in about 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Yeah, it'll definitely be opening in about 7 minutes here, but yeah, Globex has just been, out of everything, has just been bloodbath for me. Absolute bloodbath. That's funny. Which horizontal colored lines do you prioritize in OB? What's OB? I don't know what OB is. Is the spread tweaking out on GC right now? Is it actually? It's just, I don't know. This is, dude, I swear to God, that's gonna be the highest point, and this is just gonna go straight back down. I prioritize all of them. What do you mean? I'm looking at all of them. They're all important. I don't, it's the same thing. Like, I never filter time in sales. It's all important to me. Think about the move in copper. Let's see. Insane. Nutso. I mean, metals have been getting hammered. Did somebody discover a new copper mine or something? I don't know. It's crazy town. It's been nuts. Trying to get AJ at Lucid to shout rips out in the town hall chat. Well, fucking tell them to get going here. Let's go, baby. Yeah, I would caution against trading funded accounts in Globex until it like gets a little bit cleaner. It is somewhat comical that, you know, it's short, pop, short, and then we get involved in it, and then it's like, ah. They just wait for us every time. This is crazy. Same thing happened down here. They waited for us and they did the same fucking move. I don't know. They're targeting. They're coming after me. They're coming after the way I trade. It's a personal attack. Also, Enki usually makes a 60-point then reverse at least half it, unless Trump or no news. So looking for continuation of the stream. The move is risky. No, I agree. It's hard to shut off that part of my brain that makes me all this money. Is like, it's just so hard for me to be like, all right, I'm going to trade the opposite of how I trade. It's like beautiful momentum. I'm going to be like, all right. Close to another payout with Lucid here. Just need one more winning day. I would not be trading Globex, man. This is hell on earth. At least for my style of trading. It's continuation into extreme reversals, into more continuation, into extreme reversals, into get me off this ride. It's so not my cup of tea when it comes to my style of trading. But what am I gonna do? Am I gonna have a trading show where I take absolutely no trades? That's no fun. That's boring. That's boring. I think it was up too in that position. I think it was up like $2,000. I was going for the whole shebangle. I was going for like everything on that trade. Let's see what happened with the prediction here. 646. 646 is 162. Okay. Sure that, I mean, dude, you're asking the guy who's had basically one winning trade and 3 losing trades. Like, I wouldn't listen to the way that I trade these Globexes is just not it, man. I literally cannot get a handle on these Globexes. I'm not the right person to be asking for trading advice on these Globexes. That's for damn sure. They've been like hit or miss for me. They've been really bad. Like really, really bad. I just feel completely out of pocket trading these Globexes, but I'm not gonna not trade. You know what I mean? What's up, El Rab? How are you, baby? Can you show the 100 lot in gold replay? It's on my YouTube channel. What's up, Cashies? How are you, baby? How's Stake US been to you, Cashies? I think you're still like top on the leaderboard right now. Have you been killing it? You haven't. Oh, you haven't had to do anything on there. Yeah, I noticed that you haven't spun in a hot minute there. What's this Globex you're talking about? The session we're in right now is the Globex session. That's all. Dun, dun, There we go. What about the end of month pension rebalance? I mean, it's more so just Globex has just been AIDS. I mean, look at this shit. Look at how much they gap these spreads, bro. This is insane. I feel like, dude, one time didn't we do it down here? I was like, I'm gonna blindly long this. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna only go for the reversals. I'm telling you. Like, that's the fucking move, dude. I'm telling you. It's so tilting. That's all I'm gonna do, bro. I'm just gonna go for that shit. It's crazy though. Like, it's just, I would never long that. And it's just, you know, it's the perfect fucking long. Glad to see a self-pointed dipshit question answered. Have fun with that. What happened? It's okay, you're losing trades, but keep trying. I mean, I don't think that's dipshit. Just trying to set up something here for tomorrow. What's up, QQ? Good week for leaps? It just depends. It just depends. It always, that's the answer. It just depends. If downside level of mine, I mean, again, I wouldn't, I really have no confidence in any of my, I mean, the market just does, this is crazy to me. Like, yeah, no. I think staying out is the best, smartest thing. Otherwise, I'd be into some of my Lucids or TPTs. My TPTs are funded. I could trade those, but I'm not doing it. You know, just doesn't seem like the right thing to do. Lucid with limits withdrawals to 9,500 weekly? Is that a fact? I've never heard of that. That's news to me, buddy. Doom, 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 doom. Adding to my short all the way to 240, fuck it. I mean, I get where your head's at, buddy. I mean, from a technical standpoint, we did make a higher low, so I don't know. In any accounts that matter, I'm just staying off. My Apex accounts had 147k balance, so yeah, they had a little bit of room. I was trying to see if we could get like one massive trade on them. It would have been nice if we would have just blindly reversed this shit from the lows. We would have passed the fucking Apex accounts. That would have been a treat. That would have been a real treat. TPT allows full withdrawals day one. Yeah, dude, I did it last week or 2 weeks ago, whenever that was. I got TPT funded. I traded and I got a $10,000 payout in 3 days. Or more. I think it's, yeah, $10,000 after their fees. It was like a $12,000 payout, their fees, and then, you know, 80-20 split, $10,000 to the bank. Trying to understand how you read bookmap in real time. Stare at it for years. That's it. That's the answer. Staring at it for years. But like it's not very effective during these times of the market where it's like you have clean liquidity and then all of a sudden, boom, it dries up, and it's like, what is happening here? Like, what's the point? Apex daily loss limit. Damn. Sorry. So annoying. And it's like crazy because it'll hit your daily loss limit and then it'll return right back down to exactly where you thought it was going to go, or whatever the case. The TPT accounts, 150k accounts? No, 50k, brother, 50k. 50k. Remember, it's 5 days to pass, but then, I don't know, I did it all live, so I think it was 3 days. And then I took one payout and then I blew them. And so now I'm on set number 2. I got 5 fresh 50K accounts with $2,000 in drawdown in each, which means that I got to get out of the trailing drawdown. Once I'm out of that, then I'm going to try to get a payout. Let me see what this stupid thing is called. That's what it is. VMAX. No, that's not it at all. Fuck. Well, I forget what this stupid thing is called. Is it video? I think it's this one. Bang, there it is. That's the one. Damn, look at that. Look at that reversal. Who just hit their daily loss limit, bro? I gotta ask you, LaValle, look at this. You were short, right? You were short, right? You gotta send me a screenshot. I guarantee you got ticked out literally right here. Like, I fucking swear, dude, they know. Like, I guarantee you top ticked on your out on your stupid daily loss limit, and then it's going straight down now and you would have fucking passed them, right? Like, that's the dude. Shoot me. Yeah. Send it to me. It's so tilting, bro. I'm tilted for. I have secondhand tilt right now. I have secondhand tilt for you, bro. Like, I'm being dead serious. It makes me so mad when I see that shit because it's like, dude, I know the pain, brother. Happened to you, Christian, as well. It's so fucking annoying, bro. I've had that happen way more times on prop firms than ever in a live account. Like, my stop losses are never ever like at places like that. Secondhand tilt, dude. It's crazy. One of the main reasons I jumped over cash account. Yeah, isn't it? Yeah. I don't like to promote trading a cash account because it's so dangerous for most people, but like, man, that's the one thing. If you ask me, like, what's the biggest difference between trading my cash account and trading prop firms? Obviously, it's always going to be my fault because you see how much I leverage into trades. Like, I go very fucking heavy into trades because I like to hit the trades that I believe in. And a lot of the time it's like, oh, fucking drawdown. or it's like the worst where you like, you're getting shit fills in trade evade. So it's like, it's so hard to add into positions. So it's like, you either have to go all or none in your main position when you open it up for the first time, which is annoying. I want to scale into my trades. Secondhand tilt, man. On emotional days, my trick has been to trade a practice account until it's blown, then full board on a real guy. You're insane, brother. Ash says it's wild how y'all are talented to read the bookmap graphs. I mean, it's just a different way to understand what's going on. But it's kind of, to be honest with you, it's just not very useful in Globex because it's so, like, it's so hard to predict that they're gonna do this much of a fucking gap. Like, do you see what I'm saying? Like, look, you're gonna tell me that they're perfectly happy selling, and then on this reversal, it's just, that's the spreads that they offer, and then there's just no trading activity, and then they start to bring it back up, and it's like, it's just weird, man. I don't know. Very weird. Like, look at this. This is such a weird style. Ding, 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 ding. Ah, well, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? I mean, it makes me not even like want to trade for the rest of Globex. You guys tell me what you want to do though. I don't really care. I think it's probably better to just chill and hang out and do some gambles and channel points and all that, you know. Steak. I'm too exhausted, believe it or not. I'm too exhausted to gamble right now. I don't feel like spinning slots unless you really want me to. I don't know. It just feels like meh. I commented on the pick, the craziest experience as a trader. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see. Dude, X, the way that they deliver notifications to me is just so stupid. I can't see it. Like, it's so annoying. Oh, it didn't upload it. Okay. How about the old fucking bag that coming? Dude, that is funny. A lot of that was just hilarious. I was laughing a lot. It's just funny. It's so silly. OMG, just got green on the last eval I was trading, not touching anything again tonight. Nice. There you go. Like, okay. If you put a gun to my head right now, I would short this market, but like, let's just see. I'm gonna go hands off. I don't want to blow another set of accounts. But if it was me, I would be short. I would be short here. And this is probably why I'm not good at trading Globex, because let's see. Unless it's in a live cash account, because then you can actually see shit happening. Because if you're wrong, you're gonna see somebody absorbing the fuck out of you, and then you're like, okay, I'm out. I'll take some slippage, get me the fuck out. So you think I should switch to trading pre-market? I don't know. Are you having success, Katie? Let's start there. Talk dirty to me. Are you having success trading the markets during Globex in your current fashion? Let's find out. Let's see what she has to say. Yeah, I just don't like the chop. Seems like... Well, here's the thing, Katie. At the end of the day, if it works for you, why stop? Do you know what I mean? If it is working for you, do not stop. Do you know what I mean? Like, don't ever stop something that is working specifically for you. God, it's... I mean that though. Like, people are... Look at it. It's going straight up. I said short. Stupid. Dummy. The leaderboard just got updated for rips.win, by the way, for all my gamblers. The leaderboard just got updated. Surprise, surprise, Cashy's still on top. What does Globex means? Globex means the current time that we're trading right now. We're trading the Globex market. God, I can't speak. Boom, boom. Globex drains my mental capital sometimes. I mean, There's no reason to trade it if you don't feel it. You see what I'm saying? There ain't no reason to trade it unless you... See? Just gotta chi, baby. You just gotta chi. I'll see what we can trade with real capital. Is it legit? What do you mean? Do you like my car? Wait, how's it go? Do you like my car? How about this one? How about this one? Or maybe this one. Dude, somebody was so angry about that ad. They were commenting, they're like, man, I fucking hate that ad. But then I watched one of your videos and your voice isn't as annoying in the videos, so I think I'm gonna tune in. Oh shit, I saw that. It's so funny. Full port of paper account? No. If I'm gonna do anything, I'll do a fucking prop firm account, man. When you said, or maybe I was expecting the next shot to be your car. Oh my God. I don't think I could run that out on YouTube. Maybe run it on OnlyFans, but certainly not on YouTube. Or maybe this one. So stupid, bro. Hi, I'm Rips. I did that. I read that script right here. So reading it right here. You like my car? I mean, it's like, dude, you got to be annoying in advertisements, man. Sorry, I apologize. My question is pertaining to Lucid prop firm. I'm still in eval phase past 1 TBT. Oh, yeah. What's your question? Hold on. What's the question? Raj? Let's see. Oh, dude. Yeah. Lucid is very legit, brother. Yeah, dude, Lucid is super legit. They're very good. Oh, man, my short would have worked. See, this is why I don't care. Dang, my short would have worked, guys. It would have done the thing. Oh, darn. Wait, unders win? Should I even look? Should I even look? Can I just pay the unders without looking? I really don't want to look. I'm very lazy right now. Globex sucked the lifeblood out of me, dudes. Time to wine and dine. Enjoy if you can. Pal speaking in the morning. Is he? Hold on. Let me see. I need to check my fucking thing now. Oh my God, you're not wrong. He's speaking at 10:30. Okay, well, we're going to have a fun stream tomorrow. If you want to show up late tomorrow, you can. We are going to have the founder of Alpha Futures here on the program. And we're going to be giving away a lot. And I mean, you think I've given away a lot of shit on this channel? I think tomorrow might be the biggest giveaway we've ever done. Ever. I've started saying good comms with a girl I've been seeing at Crackshop every time. Thank you for that. It's a great saying, dude. Good comms. What do you want to have for dinner? I don't know. What do you want? I asked you first. Let's go for sushi. All right. Good comms. Good comms. I remember when Rips gave one person 20 accounts. Did I actually do that? Holy shit. What a G. What time? Tomorrow, the founder of Alpha Futures will be on probably around 9 or 10 o'clock Eastern time. She's having sushi tonight. Yeah, good comms, baby. Good comms. Dinner back at 2000 hours. I don't even think I'll be live. I'm probably going to go for a little walk around the neighborhood. Just chill. Oh, my order has been shipped. Lovely. Got a new cap coming. Sweet. That's lovely. Oh, it's going to come tomorrow. Or no, that's Tuesday. Never mind. Good night, Dane Trades. Hope to see you, or Dane Trader. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yeah. Working 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. What's a good time to sneak in a good pitch and catch overnight? 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern time? You're working 12 hours. Jesus Christ. Slow down. You work at 6 a.m. Eastern or what, Pacific? It's very important. Because if you work at 6 a.m. Pacific, that changes the game. Oh, Central. Now you're throwing a wrench in my fucking shit, man. Fuck. 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., bro. Fuck. I mean, fuck. Trying to like give you the best advice, but that's tough. Yeah, dude, look at that. Like, oh, do you think it's gonna be good short? It's like, fuck you. When would be a good time to trade? Dude, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central. Wow, 12 hours. That is a grind, brother. I was gonna say like maybe on your lunch break, but even then it's like, nah, dude, that's too hard. And you're gonna be like stressed out because you're gonna lose during some lunch breaks and be like, fuck. Yeah, you don't want to trade at work, dude. Your boss comes up and he's like, what's wrong with you? You're like, fuck you. Just blew an account. Fuck off. I don't know, man. 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. To be honest, like you're gonna have to learn how to move with Globex and like stick to like 1 to 2 hours a night. I wouldn't go beyond that. But like, I mean, listen, I'm a momentum trader. You might be you could trade Globex so much that if you try to trade a New York session, you get cracked because you're always looking for reversals instead of continuation. So I would say start to learn. When would it be Central time? It would be 5 p.m. Central. So you get off at 6 p.m. Central. Is it 5 p.m.? Fuck. I would trade. Actually, no. You know what? 7 p.m. Yeah. 7 p.m. Central is in an hour from now, right? Or 30 minutes from now? Oh, hold on. I'm so retarded. Central time. Yeah. Okay. So 7 p.m. I would trade from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Bang. We got it. Sam, that's your time, brother. 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. That's your spot. 7 p.m. Central to 9 p.m. Central. That's your jam, dude. Because actually, it does get much cleaner when we stop the show. So I don't know if you knew this, but the market makers actually have an agreement. They say, hey, when Rips ends his Globex stream, that's when we start giving out the choice price action. They had a meeting about this at the CME actually last week. They're like, dude, we've seen Rips has been trading during Globex. Too much alpha for these fuckers. So they start doing all the clean price action after we shut down the stream, which is right at 7 p.m. Central. So yeah, do 7 p.m. Central to 9 p.m. Central. There you go. 7 p.m. Central to 9 p.m. Central. That's plenty of alpha. You'll learn a lot and stick with whatever style you start to develop during that time frame, but only marry that style to that specific time frame because it's going to be a very unique trading style specifically that works for that trading time frame. Okay, sound fair? Let's do that. Bang. People helping people. That's what our community is all about, right, folks? Let's go, baby. Give it up for Sam. I was worried we weren't going to come up with a time slot that works for you, but 7 to 9 is doable, man, and you can get plenty of sleep too. You're going to have some nights though where you do go to bed a little bit upset because you're going to have some losing sessions. So it's actually going to be fine though, because you know if you can just put it to bed and let all that crap. Just make sure that you have at least 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Here's the second part of this recommendation. From 9 until 9:15 every night, that's your journaling time. Do not journal a minute after 9:15, and everything goes in that journal. I fucking crushed it today. I had the worst day ever. My boss is a dick. Fuck that guy. He's so weird. His smell on Tuesdays is fucking gross. Like, whatever you need to journal, just journal that shit. You know? Wednesday, Tina was looking fire. Holy shit, she wore the khaki pants again. You know what I mean? Throw that in the journal. Give it a little spice, you know? You're the only person who gets to read it. W's in the chat for Stacy. It was Thursday. She brought her fucking... I don't know. I've never worked an office job. I don't know. And no women at work. All right, how about this? Fucking Rick, dude. I don't know. Questioning what I'm thinking these days. Rick looked pretty fire. I don't know. Had a lady customer come in. Why am I journaling about my job and not trading? I don't know how the journal just got to be about your job instead of trading, but no, make your trading journal about trading. Oh, fuck. Yeah, just make it about trading, man. Don't have anything in there about work. That's funny. Caught 15 points short. Yo, there we go. That was a PNC. It's fucking a miracle that pitches and catches are actually working in this shitty price action, but beautiful work, man. I mean, that's a risky one. That's for damn sure. Very risky. I guess you're using this as your challenge point right here. That's your challenge point. So, hey, there you go. Nice. That's fire. That's funny. Maybe I should quit my job just to become a pro at journaling. Yeah, dude. Quit today. Don't know what to do now. Fuck. London open 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. EST provides some decent but not oversized mood. The problem with that is that homie needs sleep. Sam needs some sleep. I think the correct recipe is... Oh, wait. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. About to cop these pre-releases right now. Hold up. Hold up. Ba-bang. Yes, sir. Yes. Is that the right ones? I mean, quad. Inside the quad up into the gymnasium. Let's go, baby. Give me a second. Just gotta grab this little snapper dinger here. Did anybody do anything fun this weekend? I damn near lost my voice for the hockey game. It's still not back. I haven't found it. Fucker went on vacation. There we go. The whole going on my date, going on a date with my wife thing was a lot of fun. That's why I love living in Vegas, man. It's just so nice. I made 2 banger beats and saw Comms Girl. Nice. What's your DAW of choice? Me, I started in Fruity Loops when it was Fruity Loops, and then it became FL Studio, and I stopped using it. But then I moved to Ableton and Logic. Those are my DAWs of choice. But I had a music studio in my house in California. Beautiful studio. It had guitars and drums and fucking soundproofing and the whole nine, dude. It was super nice. Had like a little chill area in the studio. Some black lights and shit. It was dope. It was a vibe. Went to the Lowrider meetup in Vegas. Yo, why didn't you invite me? What the hell? Use Ableton, nice. Boys, the DJ taught me how to use it, even though we make really different music and make trap beats and play guitar. Dope. Do you have a good hot tub? Bro, my hot tub is fuego. My hot tub goes off. It's actually off right now. I don't think I used my hot tub this weekend. Renewing my bookmap subscription. Rip says coupon usage limits exceeded. Try MC20 like this, but now I'm gonna fucking, dude. These fuckers, bro. Like they're so annoying. I told them about this last month. I'm gonna tell them again. These fuckers. These sons of bitches. Let's see. It is saying usage exceeded again for my community. Okay. Yeah, try MC20. It worked. Bang. Let's go. Yeah, dude, I always tell the bookmap team, I'm like, I don't know another streamer that talks about bookmap like I do, because I actually use it, right? I don't care about the promotional part, but like, let me get a sick coupon that's more than anybody else so that my community can use that. Do you know what I mean? Like, that's what I want. That's all I care about. Damn, she's out of the office till the 31st, brother. Please. What are you thinking, lady? But yeah, I want like a fucking sick. Down. Yeah, I really want you guys to have like a really sick coupon for bookmap. All right, we are going downtown. This is the thing again where it's like, dude, it is impossible for me as a momentum trader to see this and not want to take this. Like, fuck. I want this so bad. Is it bad that I really just want to go for this? You have to get the global plan on bookmap to get the live. Yes. Global's the bare minimum, brother. The other one is free. There's free, then global is the one you pay for, and then global plus is the one that you probably don't need. The town hall was no good. Everybody just bomb it and be like, yo, watch Ribs. Oh, dude, it's so hard for me not to try. All right, fine, I'm trading it. I can't stop myself, man. I just can't stop myself, dude. I can't stop myself from trading this. I'm fucking addicted to trading this break of these lows here, bro. God, I hate it. It's so annoying, bro. Like, I can't stop. Listen, somebody help me. Got him. Fuck you. Got him. Got it. Yeah, fuck you. Eat my ass, bitch. Suck my balls. We finally got it. Yeah, only took us 17 trades and we got a winner. Eat my ass. That was crazy fast. But bro, like, why couldn't they just give it to us like fucking 10 years ago, man? Like, isn't it so dumb that they just like, we're like, okay guys, we know you're gonna short it, and they're like, hold on, we gotta fuck everybody first. You know? Like, how annoying is that, bro? So, like, you market makers, how dare you taking food off of our plates? Y'all should be ashamed of yourselves. They're out there collecting enough fucking commissions to get their fucking 18th car. We're out here just trying to feed our families, get a little bread. I always ask, you know, is it a crime? Is it such a crime in Globex if a white boy like me gets a little bit of motion? Is it a crime? Because last time I checked, it was certifiably insane that they won't let me have just a little bit of motion. In Globex of all places. Come on. No, that was nice though. Do you ever reverse pitch and catch going? Yes, all the time. It's just, brother, look at the trend of the market lately. It's just been a downtrending market. But yeah, all the time. But man, this is like, I feel, is it weird? I feel unsatisfied, man. I mean, it's an evaluation account. Who cares? But I feel unsatisfied because I feel like, you know, we had that fucker dead to rights so many damn times. Pitch and catch coming? Is this it? Nah, I don't. Do we do it again? No, they wouldn't do it, would they? We do it again? Nah, we're not gonna do it again. How did you trade on Friday? Brother, Friday was a blur for me. I don't fucking remember Friday at all. I do know that we got a flip day in our TPT account, so those are now activated. I got 5 50K TPT Pro accounts that I can absolutely positively trade now. So Rips, the new car is fucking fire. Thank you, Moonboy. I appreciate that. She will be here on Wednesday or Thursday or Friday, which is perfect time because last time I checked, that's the weekend, baby. Fuck, it's going without me. Who's short right now? Who's short? I wanted it so bad, but I'm just, you know, it's once bitten, twice shy type shit. You know what I mean? I see these moves and I'm just like, I don't think I'm ready for that kind of emotional commitment. You know what I'm saying? I don't think I'm ready for that type of emotion. Fuck you, it's going without us. God damn it, son of a bitch. God. Are they gonna make, you guys think they're gonna make new 2026 lows right here? I'm all hopped up in coffee, not the trade. Brother, I gave you this short, brother. I was like, I'm gonna short this, I'm gonna short this, I'm gonna short. I don't know about you, homie, but I felt like we had a printing press going right there. AG, what's up? Give it up for AG, baby. What's up, AG? My man. AG, let me see. Are you on the board? Did you ever get switched over? Let me see. No. You know what we need? We need Mrs. Genius. You got a runner there, Pete? Let's go, baby. Bang a dang a dang digga digga ding 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 ding. Let's go, Pete. No, they refuse to move you over. I mean, you know, wifey could always get an account that you could help her spin slots on. I'm just saying. Mrs. Genius hates gambling, so that would be a hard no. She don't have to know about it. Fucking she don't have to know about that. It's like the 5/8 account in Rogue Trader. Honey, I don't know what you're talking about. These things on our credit card statements, those are probably fraud. The short was beautiful. Thanks for seeing the more. All right, Rattlesnake Reserve. God bless you. Have a good night. Honey, what? I don't know what this is. Somebody registered a stake account in your name, but man, they're good. Wow, look at this bet history. They're killing it, babe. Should we just like take it over or something? I mean, look, they're winning so much. They're so good at dice. I feel like, you know, it started as like, we don't know whose account is, but well, let's just make it yours, babe. Can you copy trade with Trade Scene, Trade Bait on Trade Kobe? I don't think so. Maybe a job for the nephews, bro. No. How old are they? Are they 18? They're 7. That's illegal. What's the plan? I mean, I feel pretty satisfied that we finally caught a winner. I have 2 winning trades in the whole Globex session out of, I think we've traded 5 or 6 times. So my win rate is pretty dog shit for Globex right now. It feels like it's flowing a little bit nicer. Let's see what happens at the top of the hour. Did we get the gambles paid out yet? That's the real question. Oh my God, we didn't yet? What? Who's running this ship? Who's so stupid that they aren't doing this on time? God, what an idiot that guy is, huh? All right, it's the unders. Let's do one more. I don't know if I should say this, but all right, fuck. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna give away a Lucid account. Is that cool? Nah, I shouldn't have said that. Nah, forget it. No. Kind of over it. Should we do it though? I kind of feel like I said it, so we should do it. Let's give away a Lucid account. Fuck it. Let's do it. Let's give away a Lucid account. I think we should give away a free Lucid account. What should we give away though? All right, let's do a vote. What should we give away? Hold on, let me do one more channel gambles for our homies here. Let's do flex. You guys want to do a flex? Let me think though. How expensive are flexes? Are they expensive? Let's do 150. Because I'm sure a lot of people came from the town hall, and we still got 800 people watching. That's a lot of people, bro. That's like, if this was like a comedy theater, it'd be overflowing. Okay, here you go. There's your gambles, boys and girls. They are cheaper than a Ferrari. Most everything is actually. That wire went out on Thursday, and I was like, Wait, did it go out Thursday or Wednesday? Let me see. That was the noise I made when it went out. Let's see. We have sent your wire transfer March 25th. Ah, that was Wednesday I sent that? Holy shit. Yeah. Ah! That was fast. Make your money Monday. Take it out on Monday. Shop on Tuesday. Wire on Wednesday. Fuck, we move quick around her. We'd be moving real quick. All right. Okay, here we go, boys and girls and lasses and ladies. I have a lack of brain cells this late at night. Okay, here we go. You guys said flex, right? I'm thinking, would it be okay if I gave out 2 free 50K Lucid Flex accounts? We can give out 2. Is that cool? Okay, let's do 2. Because here's the problem. I like to provide value to you guys who tune in, you guys and girls who tune in to this show, because you spend your time with me, and if I don't provide you with value, I feel like a retard. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like, ugh. Like, boy, what a retard this guy is. And I feel like today, kind of lacking on the value department. You know what I mean? Like, I did talk about like real orders and stuff. There was value there. I did give 2 winning trades. There was value there. But then I gave 4 bad trades. And that kind of like, that was like a big value wet blanket that like wrapped you up, and you're like, blankets are supposed to be warm, not wet and cold. And I was like, well, suck it. This is a wet value blanket. And you're like, what is that? I don't like it. So ipso facto, we do 2 giveaways now. Are we on the same page? Does that work? I think that's fair, right? Good trade-off. You get the wet value blanket. I get 2 accounts to give away. And then bang, bang, we're back in high value town. I love Value Town, by the way. It's my favorite place to go. Fucking love Value Town. Let's get the music to reflect this, shall we? I'm going to put on a banger. Let me see. Let me find one. No, we can do better than that. We can do better than that, too. That's a little bit too easy, buddy. Nah, that's too good. It's too good. We gotta save that for special moments. Okay, let's do a giveaway. All right, Rimspot, if you would please. Lucid link in the chat. We're gonna do a little scabby hunt. Scabby hunt here. This might be a little bit heavy, but whatever. We'll make it work. Yep, I'm gonna weigh 2 Lucid Flex 50K accounts, okay? I'm gonna make it very easy for you to win too. Okay, click that Lucid coupon. Click that Lucid coupon link. It's gonna bring you to a landing page. Okay, that's part 1. Okay, scroll down, it says choose your path. Pass an eval and get blank in as little as 2 days, or go straight to blank. Just type in that word 1 time. That's it. I make it easy, baby. There it is. Man, you guys are fast. I can't put one past you. You guys are too quick. Okay. Remember, you only have to type it in 1 single time. Just once. I don't know if I feel like hardstyle right now. No. Don't we have like some... Yeah. I've been on the run. There we go. That's a little bit funk. Oh wow, look at this PNC that's forming right now. See, yeah, I'm gonna stay off. I'm gonna lay off the Globex trade. The gamble closes in 12 minutes. We're gonna do our first drawing right now, okay? First drawing is going to go right now. And then the last drawing for the second account for the 50K Lucid Flex is going to go at the end of the stream. Remember, with this account, there's no activation fee. So like you can actually get paid out on this account with a $0 cost for you. That's what I want to see. There's nothing that makes me happier than when if you guys can take this free 50K Lucid Flex account, run it up, get a payout, and then come back and tell the community about it. That is the coolest thing in the world because you paid $0 and you got paid based on, what is it called? Meritocracy. Meritocracy, baby. The exact way how our government was ran. I wish. Could you imagine a real meritocracy? Wouldn't it be great? But no, you'll get paid out based on merit. If you can take this to a payout, you paid $0. All the money's yours. Let's see it happen. Here we go. Boom. Get ready. Good luck, everybody. Who's it gonna be? Yeah. Oh, it looks like a YouTuber. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, Andreas? Andreas? Is it you? Andreas over on YouTube. I think it might be Andreas. Remember, we're doing one more winner after this. You got 60 seconds to claim, bud. 60 seconds in your face. Do 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 do. 40 seconds to claim here, buddy. I hope they claim. It'd be a real shame to not have them claim. It would be kind of lame in this game. There they are. This song is called On the Run by Hasten. No, Oakside. Sorry, Oakside. Okay. Second part of the giveaway here, Andreas, is you have to tell me what your name is on Instagram or Twitter so I can find you, and the market just slammed for no reason. Andreas. Yeah, we're going to play the knocking song tomorrow when there's more things happening in the market. Something just got slammed. Baltic Journal. Trump has not made a decision on some type of operation or something. Okay, let's see what you wrote. Same IG? Okay, let me try. Something, some type of report. There you are. Congratulations, buddy. Why is it like this, bro? Can you send me a message on Instagram, dude? This is so annoying. It doesn't let me message people anymore. It's so weird. About this account. Because you're private. It won't let me message somebody private, even though you follow me. Can you message me, please? It's a new rule, I guess they have. That's for you, Andreas. Sorry, it's annoying, but you know, I have so many requests. No. Oh my God! I just saw Travis's LaValle. Oh my God! Oh my God! You weren't kidding, that dude. How annoying is these fucking goddamn market makers, man? It's horrible. So bad. All right, Andreas, I need that DM, brother. Oh, there you are. Thank you. Amazing. There you are. Sorry, I didn't know that you'd messaged me before. There you are. Okay, Lucid Flex. Coming your way, pal. Lucid Flex 50K. Bang, bang. Okay, cool. All right, guys. We'll do the next drawing at the top of the hour when I'm closing the stream for the night. Okay? In the meantime, wow. What a market. Bank of Japan coming out with summary opinions for March in less than a minute. So watch out for that. That could be very spicy, dude. That could be actually insane. What's going on? There was a Trump report, and then the Bank of Japan summary of opinions is coming out. So, a lot of stuff coming out right now. Just got to be patient and wait. What platform is on your left? There's probably, you think of Bookmap, maybe? Bookmap or TradingView. Dirk Fisher says, I was a market maker for years. Options on SIBO and P Coast. Wow, you're old school, brother. God damn, welcome. Welcome to the party, my friend. Good to see you. Man, look at this short. Golly. Just think, we were talking about it breaking 200s up there. Bank of Japan summary of opinions. Blah, 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 blah. Anything good? Let me see. Temporarily slow under the 2% level. Blah, 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 blah. Dissented in the favor of a 25 basis point hike. Vote was 8-1. Target rate unchanged at 3/4 of a point. Okay, that seems fine. Nothing really crazy, in my opinion. Trader rate sucks. Yeah, I hear you, man. That's part of being a trader, I guess. We just got to deal with it. All right, remember, folks, we're doing one more giveaway. Everybody who entered it in the giveaway, there's 385 of you right now. Just type in the word funded. You'll be entered. You're already in if you typed it in once. It's fine. I'm not seeing anything that's worth trading right now. The Wall Street Journal re-reported an old report that made the market move. So I don't think this is tradable right now. Yeah, if you already typed it in once, you're fine. You're fine. Just trust me. You're fine. I'm actually pretty tired. All right, we have the gambles paying out in 5 minutes here. Under 155. This is going to be a photo finish, boys and girls. This is going to be a real photo finish here. My goodness. Can I just win this time? I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for you for sure, brother. A free 50K Lucid Flex account. This is going to be goated. I want to see somebody win and take this thing to a payout, man. And we've seen it. Right? If anywhere, like our community, we did get the best in the trading, what is it, Tradeify? Yeah, the Tradeify Cup, the Grand Cup. Team Rips crushed it. I didn't have shit to do. It was you guys. So our community has like the best traders in it. You guys are freaking goated, dude. Appreciate keeping me entered while I'm writing up my research report. Let's go, Crockers. All right, well, we're going to do the drawing in 3 minutes. 3 minutes, okay? 3 minutes. We got 427 people in the giveaway right now. So you still have a good chance to win. If we had Trade C in that tourney, I would have had it. I know, right? It was crazy. What were we trading on? Tradeovate? Ugh. Gross. Do you mainly just trade off Bookmap? No, I do not. Well, I mean, I concoct my best trade ideas from watching Bookmap, but I don't trade using the Bookmap software. No, I don't actually trade on the Bookmap software, if you're asking that. How was you at the hockey? The hockey was great, man. I lost my voice because I was screaming so much. It was just a disappointment that we lost in overtime. And we had a power play, bro. We had 4-on-3 power play, and we didn't fucking win in overtime. How? Oilers are really good though. It's gonna be that's gonna be the playoff game is Oilers and Knights, dude. I'll probably go to that if it's here in Vegas. It should be, right? My birthday this month. May I win in March or April? You know, April is only 3 days away, right? Isn't that crazy? April's already here. April's gonna be here on Wednesday. Oh my God! What if I get my Ferrari on April Fool's Day? Wouldn't that be funny? Or we just he never gets to worry. When's your birthday, Ann? March or April? April. What Ferrari you didn't see it? Come on, man. I'll show you the picture of it right before it got loaded into El Troque. Where's the thing? Oh, God, it's so sexy. I'm sorry, but I fucking love it. As you should, though, right? You should like your things that you get. Oh, God, it's fucking so gorgeous. Here. That's not it. Yes. 2025 SF90 Spider. Ah, yes. Yes. Magnifique. Fucking love it. So excited, man. So excited. It's coming all the way from the East Coast. It's on a truck right now. So, I'm excited. I've been a Ferrari customer since 2014. This is my 5th Ferrari with them. So, and I'm selling my current Ferrari. Getting rid of it. But it got put on a truck on yesterday? Oh, wow. Got put on a truck yesterday. So, Saturday. Broccoli head sends his car to Mansory for the extra touch. I wouldn't Mansory an SF90. It's very expensive and just a waste of money. I used to customize a lot of my cars when I was younger. I just don't really care that much. I'm going to customize this one, I think, but I don't know. They kept sending me more pictures as they're getting it loaded and shit. And I'm like, man, it looks pretty good. We'll see. We got all the time in the world, you know? I need plastic surgery. You're way too good looking. Don't people get plastic surgery to be good looking? I don't know. I think my wife is pretty blind. I always question that. I'm like, how in the world did I get with you? Because you are a smoke show and I'm a doofus. Did you ever wrap it? No. I'd never wrap it. Here, so check this out. The Ferrari app. If you ever want to see if somebody's lying about whether or not they own Ferraris or not, they have this thing. It's called the My Ferrari app, right? And so they have this section on this, right? You go to this section. It's called Garage at the bottom here. And it shows all of the Ferraris that you've ever owned. So here we can go through them. That was a 488 Spider. It's the first one. Or no, that was my first one. That was number 3. 458 Spider was the first one. These are the correct colors too. And then I got a 488 GTB. And then I went to the 488 Spider, which is also, you can see I like my Ferraris in red. And then the car that's currently in my garage is the SF90 Stradale, which is the hardtop. It is the coupe. And then I just got this one, which is the SF90 Spider. So those are the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are the 5 Ferraris I've owned. I love them all. I've loved them all. I really do. Listen, I've had Lamborghinis. I had somebody at a red light. I had a Lamborghini. I don't care what is the model. Gallardo Spider. This is a long time ago. This is like 15 years ago. I had a Gallardo Spider. Had the top dropped. I was at a red light, and some guy in a lifted truck hocked a loogie. People hate Lambos, man. People hate Lambos. They really don't like them. Any favorites? The SF90. The SF90 online gets a lot of flack, but like I don't see any owner of an SF90. Okay, let me say this. One of my friends, his father is the largest car collector in Texas. He's a very wealthy individual. The largest car collector in Texas. He had an SF90. He got rid of it, and he has 2 296s now, and he likes those more than the SF90. The 296 is a V6. I'm not a huge fan of it. All right, I got a giveaway to do. I love car talk. I can do this any time of the day, man. Did I bust a cap on that fool? No. They literally hocked a loogie and sped off. I was like, what? I was in shock. All I did was exist. It's kind of like being on X. If you're on X and you trade and you just exist, there's fucking angry people. How dare you? Like, dude, this weekend on X brought me back to when I used to post my broker statements because everybody's like, that's fucking bullshit. The broker statement is bullshit. You're faking it. It's like, okay, I traded it live. And then posted the car and people are like, that's not even your car. There's a picture of the dealership. I'm like, all right, man, okay, you win, man. You win. You win, buddy. The Call of Duty creator couldn't drive his SF90. Believe it or not, that was actually a 296. Everybody thought it was an SF90. It was a 296, man. I will say this. The SF90 is probably one of the most dangerous road cars I've ever seen and I've ever driven. It has, are you ready for this? A Bugatti Veyron is massive and weighs a ton. A Bugatti Veyron has 1,001 horsepower and it's huge. And it's a V16. Massive, massive car. My SF90, tiny, compact, very light, extremely light. How much horsepower? 1,001. What do you think that does? It goes 0 to 60 in 2.1 seconds. It's ridiculous. Some people have tracked it at 1.9 seconds. It is absurdly fast. I can be on the highway going, I always go the speed limit, but sometimes when my speedometer freaks out and it's reading like I'm going like 100 on the, I would never actually go 100, but sometimes when the speedometer like bugs out and it says I'm going 100 and I press on the gas, the back comes loose. I've never driven a car. I've had a lot of very nice cars throughout my life. I've never driven a car that has that much torque, that much power. The SF90 is bonkers. And I love it. I love it. That's my favorite car. I love it. Don't believe the shit that you read online from people. It's silliness. Like, oh, yeah, the SF90 sucks. Like, oh, did you own one? No. Okay. And that's fine. If you think it sucks, that's great. I think it's a beautiful machine. I love that car. I think it's fantastic. All right. Are we paying the unders? I think we pay the unders. Let's pay the unders, okay? Unders are getting paid. Now let's do the final drawing here. Final drawing for the giveaway. Let's do it. Let's dance, baby. Let's dance. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. This is for a 50K Lucid Flex account, and then I'm out of here. Go hang with my wife and get some sleep. Have I driven a Tesla Plaid? No, but my buddy has one, and he's taking me in it. And, yeah, it's an electric car. I like my gas, dude. I like my petrol. Robert, is that you, buddy? I wonder if Robert's here. Robert has 60 seconds to claim, folks. Don't lose hope. Robert could just have gone. He could have just left. Could have left. You never know. Robert did not leave. Okay, Robert, this is step 2. What's your name on Instagram? What's your name on Twitter? You have to tell me. Otherwise, I can't let you just walk out of here. I got to send the prize to you somehow. What's your name on Twitter? What's your name on Instagram so I can send this bad dogger to you? And then I'm going to get out of here for the night. If Robert doesn't claim the next 60 seconds, though, remember, Robert, do not put the @ symbol and keep spamming it, because if the text doesn't come through, here, I'll even show it on stream. Hey, there it is. Okay. Gotcha. Ah, shucks, he's here. Be nice. Dude, market's still coming down. We just broke its new low on the year. My goodness. Anybody still short in this market right now? Is anybody actually still short? I can't believe how high we covered. We covered at fucking 145. It's trading 99 now. Katie's still short. You dirty dog, you. You scurvy sailor. Look at you. All right, let me see if I can find our friend here, Robert. Robert, as I'm guessing this has got to be on Instagram, right? Let's just see. Got to be on Instagram. All right, you follow me. My man, Robert, good to see you. You play guitar. Yes, I love guitar, man. Dude, they took away my ability to like fucking message random accounts. I don't understand. I don't message random accounts. Why do they? You know what? I bet you I could do it on the fucking... You know what? Here, Robert, message me, please. I know this is annoying, but please message me. It's so strange, man. Message me on Instagram, please, Robert. I want you to win. Show your doc? What's my doc? Show my doc. What's my doc? What are you talking about? Show my doc. Robert. Hey, there you are. Hello. Hello. That's you. Lucid. Oops. Lucid. 50K per flex. I almost said pro. That's not the right one. Ripsmod, what does show your doc mean? I don't know what that means. You show your doc first. You show yours and I'll show you mine, dog. You said Lucid Flex, right? Okay. Bang. There you go. Bang. Up 30 bucks on the personal. Hey, there you go. Better than being up $0. I already did. You want to see the current one? The one that I currently have? Is that what you're asking? Favorite is the Ford GT, even though I know the Ford GT is beautiful, especially the one they stopped the production in like 20. God, what Ford GT? Here, I'll show you my current one. Let's do that. There we go. This is my current one. It's not much different. There you go. It's got a roof. It doesn't have the drop top. I put these wheels on it, and it's got spacers in the back, but that's about it. Yep, we did the giveaway already. The dude. But that's the current one. Andre. It's nice. I like it a lot, man. I like it a lot. But I want the brand new one, and I want the drop top. All right, any trading related questions before I go so we can answer anything? Happy to go over anything y'all want to talk about, but otherwise I'm going to go to sleep. Look at that freaking rejection off lows. My God. I want my Ferrari. I want it now. Yeah. Wednesday or Thursday, hopefully. They started the truck on Saturday. It should be 3 to 4 days. That means Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'll be happy if I get it by Friday. If it's somehow delayed and comes on like next week, I'll be like, wow, come on. I think 1 to 500 is good leverage. I mean, that's way too much, brother. You can run into a lot of damage there. I'm in Las Vegas. I'm in the state of Nevada, baby. The state of shiny lights and golden dreams. I don't know if they ever say that. How to use the heat map. We'll talk about that tomorrow live on stream. Tune in tomorrow, 8 a.m. We'll go over it together. Oh, man. Always love Porsches. Dude, every time I drive by a Porsche, I'm like, I want to get one. And then I stop myself because I'm like, I can't have that many cars. It's stupid here. How do you find your levels? Using options activity. But these levels right here for free. This is an add-on called Rips Key Levels. It's free. It's free. It's free. It is free. Last Thursday went long, never got out. Watched it drop and drop and drop. Lost sleep and simply never got out. Or what causes paralysis? That is wanting. You're bargaining as you're wrong, truthfully. And correct me if I'm wrong, but when you started to be wrong, you said it's going to go back, and then it didn't, and then it kept going against you. You said, well, I'm already this deep. I'm going to see if it's going to go back, and then it kept on going against you. You said, doesn't matter at this point. If I close it, it's just going to come back a little bit, and what do I care, right? Something like that. Regular retest we'll talk about tomorrow. Does that seem pretty accurate though? Green red lines or green and blue lines. That's Rip Scalper Pro. It's unreleased right now. That's this right here. It's unreleased. We're working on it. It's coming. I promise. Do you post the options levels anywhere? Yeah, they going. No. Yeah, it's normal, man. Don't beat yourself up. Don't beat yourself up. Yeah, watch the Mark Douglas video. Yeah. Oh, 50K Lucid Flex. Soul Slayer. Don't mind if I do, he says. How do I find you, buddy? You're the last person. You're the last stop of the night, pal. How do I find you? There you go. Look at that. Fucking, you had it ready, player. Yes. Making my life all sorts of easy tonight. Thank you. I appreciate that. I really do. What'd you get here? Lucid. A Lucid Flex. Nope. Davey already took it off, so nope. Can't even do that anymore. Make it impossible to find. Okay, 50K Lucid Flex. Yeah, I already took it off there too, so. Got him. What's up now? Come at me, dog. You know? Lucid Flex. 50K. There we go. All right, everybody. I'll see you bright and early tomorrow. I mean, I wish I could say we did better tonight, but it is what it is. I'll be back tomorrow. We're going to have better price action trade tomorrow, but remember, do not miss tomorrow's show because we're going to have the CEO of Alpha Futures on, and I'm going to be giving away 50 accounts. Nobody's doing this. 50. I already paid the channel points, didn't I? Come on, I already paid it, man. 50. That's 50 accounts, okay? I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be good. Be careful. Market's going to get really spicy in about 50 minutes. 50 accounts tomorrow. Don't miss it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye. See you.